Are science and religion related at all? Is there any common ground?
See, there is a basic insecurity that is always there in every entity that perceives itself as limited. So, uh, you know, as a like even as a primate, you're sleeping in trees, and there is the possibility that you may fall down, which could turn out to be fatal, and hence that inherent need to stay somehow secure is something that you will notice coming up when you're almost about to sleep. Sometimes you have this feeling that you're going to fall down and you kind of get up. That can happen across species, across so many millennia, not just millennia, millions of years. So this need to either be in control oneself or have somebody who is, in your own opinion, in control, so that you can then say, I am with this person, so this person will take care of things for me, which is what, say, a monkey child would do with its mother. Hold on tight, and then it's totally up to the mother to take care. So these things are pretty basic. So science, if you notice, is a way to think that you now have control. You have understanding of what is likely to happen, and hence, quote unquote, control in the context that you are able to actually influence how things will be, because you know how things will turn out to be given initial conditions. Astrology, interestingly and ironically, is another approach to exactly the same fundamental need. Now, religion is the postulation of a god. And please be clear, whenever anybody uses the word religion in English, not Oriental people who translate their own word into religion in English, but people who natively use the word religion, all think of it as the religions that they are familiar with, and all religions in that context are the postulation of a god who, quote unquote, is in control, by definition. And hence, it's okay that you are not in control because you have your God who is in control, who has a plan, who will do da 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 da. And this is again nothing but the expression of the primal psychology of all human beings. But clearly, science and religion, because one proceeds from giving control to the human being and the other proceeds from ceding control to an all powerful being, the two cannot meet that way. So the way out is only through what you call Oriental religions, which are not religions in that strict definition at all, and then everything gets resolved.